welcome to our webinar. Today we're going to be covering everything you need to know about creating your own holiday ready skincare routine. My name is Gisela. I'm an FMP here at SBC. I cover all of our cosmetics. I do everything from Botox, fillers, lasers. So today's fun and quick session is about getting you to achieve that healthy, glowy skin for the holidays. I'm going to be sharing some tips, product recommendations, and also recommending some different type of treatments that you can do to get your skincare to the next level. Now, I want to make this interactive, so please feel free to leave any questions or comments in the box below, and I will respond to them after the webinar. Let's make this conversation about all your skincare needs. Let's start with step one, cleansing and exfoliating. The foundation of healthy, glowy skin is cleansing. You want to make sure you're cleansing daily, and this is depending on your skin type, 1 to 2 times a day, morning and night, or one if you have really dry, sensitive skin. The important thing is knowing what kind of cleanser you're going to be using. If you have normal, regular skin, even if it's sensitive, you want to use an antioxidant cleanser. This will help hydrate your skin and cleanse it in a really gentle way. If you have acne-prone skin, you want to incorporate something that's a little more aggressive, like an acne cleanser, for example, our PLMD acne cleanser. And then 1 to 2 times a week, depending on how sensitive your skin is, you want to incorporate an exfoliant, something that's going to remove dead skin cells. Step 2, we're moving on to hydrating and protecting your skin. Winter weather can be super harsh on your skin, so we want to make sure that you're moisturizing really well with a quality moisturizer. You want to look for products with great ingredients and that incorporate hyaluronic acid. So a great addition on top of your moisturizer would be adding hyaluronic acid on its own. So we have a product called Hydration Plus at PLMD, and it will really help incorporate that moisture that some of us really lack, especially for those who have really dry skin. Another great product is going to be the Ultra Gentle Skin Moisturizer. This has that hyaluronic acid that I'm mentioning. It's really gentle, goes onto the skin really smooth, and you really feel the hydration.
However, your vitamin C and sunscreen are a staple in your skincare routine and should be used year-round. Your vitamin C will protect your skin from free radicals, pigmentation, and just make you look brighter year-round, which is really necessary during the winter because we get really dull. And the sunscreen is going to protect you from all that sun damage that can occur, pigmentation changes, and texture in your skin that can change through the sun. Even if it feels like it's not as sunny as the rest of the year, you want to make sure that you're using your sunscreen and reapplying throughout the day. A great one is our antioxidant moisturizing sunscreen from PLMD. It's an SPF 50 with zinc oxide, which is going to provide the best protection for you.
If you are trying to get as ready as you can for the holidays with really glowy, healthy skin, I really recommend incorporating some Botox or Daxify. Daxify actually makes your skin a little bit of glowy and gives you that extra little oomph that you sometimes need when your skin is looking dull. On top of that, I highly recommend Skin Vive. It is a natural hydrator that uses hyaluronic acid internally to make you extra glowy. So that is a great trick on looking really glowy during the holidays, especially with the dry weather. It moisturizes the skin from the inside out, which gives you this great glow. You look so hydrated and really glowy during the holidays. So definitely think about incorporating that to your routine.
For a quick boost to get you nice and glowy for those holiday parties, I would highly recommend facials, Botox, and Skin Vive, as we talked about before. It's going to get you nice and moisturized, glowy, and ready for any quick event. Finally, skincare is an ongoing journey. Your skin is going to go through different changes, so we constantly have to make changes. And during your consultation, we can talk about what steps in your routine would be best for you, whether it's to manage acne, fine lines, wrinkles, improve texture, whatever your concern is, we can definitely tailor a skincare routine for you specifically. As a thank you for joining us today, we have some great offers for you. First, we're going to be offering a free consultation to go over your skincare concerns and a special skincare routine tailored to you, plus any recommendations that I may have. Additionally, we're going to be offering a great discount on our skincare products that I mentioned throughout the video, and a buy one, get one 50% off our fillers, plus up to 25 units off our toxins for free. Thank you again for joining and spending your lunch with me. Please don't forget to leave your comments, questions in the comment box below, and you'll be entered into a giveaway. Can't wait to help you achieve your best holiday glow. See you soon.